You send $500 to your loved ones abroad every month. That's $6,000 a year. What if I told you there's about to be a 1% tax quietly taken from each transfer that you make? That's $5 per $500 transfer. And over time, that's real money lost to taxes. And many of us send more than once a month. That extra cost could have gone towards college savings, paying down your debts, towards your bills, or even saving or starting that new business. Today, I want to share exactly what the IRS just announced this week, how this change will affect you and your businesses, and how you can act now using smarter tools and strategies, including one platform I believe in so deeply because I'm now their brand ambassador, PayAngel. My referral code is my first name, Lola, Lola. So stay with me. These steps can save you thousands of dollars over time. Hello, beautiful people. I'm Coach Lola Owokoniran. This channel is for the people who are ready to build wealth, leave a legacy, and live with purpose. And most importantly, for everyone or anyone who refuses to be surprised by policy changes in our economy today. If you haven't yet, please do well to subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, and like and share this video. Because we rise when our community is informed together. This week, the Treasury and our favorite uncle, Uncle Sam, the IRS, officially published a new notice on their website, giving penalty relief for remittance providers in the first 3 quarters of 2026. Under that relief, remittance providers who deposit on time and who correct underpayments by the Form 720 due date may avoid deposit penalties. They may also use the existing safe harbor rules provided that they show reasonable costs for mistakes. But now, listen carefully. That relief is temporarily. After those 3 quarters, full compliance and penalties will apply. The IRS is giving what they call a breathing room, but not cancellation of the tax on that. So yes, the tax is real and the timeline has been set. It is set to kick off in 2026. Now, what does this really mean to you and I? What are the changes? How does this apply to the everyday person? Beginning January 1st, 2026, remittances, simply money transfers sent abroad that are made by cash, money orders, cashless checks, or similar physical instruments, will be subject to a 1% excise tax. For example, a $500 money transfer will incur $5 tax. That may seem small in one transfer, but if you send regularly, maybe multiple times a month, over years, $5 becomes $60, $120, $200, or even more. That money could have been used to pay bills, pay off your debts, fund education, fund investments, or even start a business. Transfers done using bank accounts, debit or credit cards are exempted under the current rules so far. Remittance providers will be required to collect the tax, make semi-monthly deposits, and file quarterly returns using Form 720. The first semi-monthly deposit due date is January 29th of 2026. All of this simply means the way you and I send money must evolve, or the system will quietly erode your value over time. People who do not have bank accounts or who rely on cash-based transfers will feel this the hardest. Often these are lower income earners, immigrants, the unbanked, small remittance shops, corner store agents, local transfer kiosks, money transfer agents. This is for you. You will have to overhaul your systems, train your staff, and hope for minimal errors during that grace period. Get ahead of the game and start putting things in place. Countries that rely heavily on remittance inflows may see a decrease or decreases in official flows or more use of informal and unregulated channels. Globally, remittances in 2024 reached nearly $900 billion. Small percentage shifts matter at that scale. This is not just policy for others. This is our hard-earned dollars, our family support, our legacy. How do I use PayAngel and why I became an ambassador? Let me share how this connects to my own practice and how I'm leveraging aligned tools for you. I'm proud to be a brand ambassador for PayAngel, a platform built with diaspora users in mind, aiming to make transfers much more affordable, transparent, and secure. PayAngel offers zero transfer fees, competitive exchange rates, instant or fast deliveries to many countries globally, and its services are designed to serve our communities. They also offer direct-to-merchant remittance in some corridors, meaning you can pay verified businesses directly with no fees, and it's fully traceable. Because I believe in their mission, I'm sharing it openly with you. Use my referral code Lola, Lola, or click my link in the description section of this video so you get started smart and way ahead of the game. Send it step by step, set your account up, send your money, and we both benefit from this platform. Why include this? Because when policies shift, the tools we use become as important as our mindset. You deserve a platform that respects your value, not one that subtracts from it quietly without even being informed. Yes, you deserve the best. Here's your action plan starting today. For individuals or senders who transfer money globally, open or use bank or digital transfer accounts. If you don't have a checking or bank account, prioritize getting one or using a digital wallet. That gives you access to exempt transfer methods. Secondly, switch to digital or bank transfers when possible. What do I mean by that? Use ACH, wire transfers, debit or credit card payments. These are exempted under the new current rules. Thirdly, start using PayAngel or similar platforms. There's so many out there. For PayAngel, use my code Lola, Lola, or use the link below. Test small transfers now and get comfortable with the platform. That platform helps you avoid fees, offers you security, and positions you ahead in 2026. Number 4, budget for the 1% tax during the transition. If you still must use cash-based transfers for now, which is fine, include that 1% as a part of your send costs. Number 5, keep precise records. Save your receipts, dates, amounts, transfer methods, all of that. Because in the future, if any discrepancies arise, you have your proof. Number 6, talk to your remittance agent now. Ask them, will you collect the new tax? Will you offer digital methods? Let them know. Let them know your expectations. The more customers begin to ask these questions, the more they have to adapt to the new rules coming up. For my small business owners, for my money transfer agents, for my remittance providers, here are your action plans. Number 1, use the IRS penalty relief period wisely. Maximize that time. Build, test, train your staff, train yourself as well, and correct mistakes before full enforcement starts. Secondly, adopt compliance-ready systems. Integrate softwares that can help you flag taxable versus exempt transactions, automate deposit tracking, or even alerts. Get a structure in place. Number 3, communicate with your customers. Educate them about exempt methods. Show them lower cost options. Help them throughout the transition, before and after the transition. Offer resources. Number 4, document everything. Your mistakes, yes. Your corrections, your adjustments, the costs, document it. This here demonstrates reasonable costs if penalties are reviewed later. It's going to save you. Number 5, stay updated. The IRS may issue further clarifications, so monitor official websites, legal updates, professional tax advice. Monitor them. If you prepare now, 2026 will feel like transition, not crisis for you. So, let me bring this home. Here is what I want you to remember. On October 7, 2025, this week, the IRS publicly announced penalty relief for remittance providers during the first 3 quarters of 2026 under a new notice 2025-55. Beginning January 1st of 2026, a 1% tax will be imposed on cash-based remittance transfers. What do I mean? Cash transfers, money orders, cashier's checks. This applies to you. That $5 tax, that 1% on a $500 transfer, yes, it's a small amount for that instance, for that one time, but for regular senders, that adds up. This is money that could be used to pay your bills, pay off your debts, or build your legacy, build your wealth. The people most affected are those using cash-based transfers. These are often the unbanked, people that do not have bank accounts, immigrants, and small local agents. But there are tools and strategies that you can adopt now. Today, open bank accounts, shift to exempt digital methods, and use platforms like PayAngel with my code Lola or the link below. For remittance businesses, this is your window to upgrade your systems, train your staff, document carefully, and retain customer trust. And if possible, schedule an appointment with your CPA, your tax accountant, your financial accountant. You don't have to be caught unprepared. You deserve smart, fair, transparent tools and not surprises. So, if this video gave you clarity, do well to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Use my PayAngel link and code Lola in the description to start sending wisely today. I see you. I believe in your future. Let's navigate this shift together. Stronger, smarter, unmovable, unshaken. Thank you for trusting me. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, stay informed, stay empowered, keep building what matters. Have a blessed one. Bye for now.